there, this is Chantel WTI. If you are looking for a new ceiling fan, let me fill you in on why I am loving this 52-inch ceiling fan by Mildear. First off, the installation was quick and easy. My husband had it up and running in about 30 minutes. The blades are nice and long, and my husband was pleasantly surprised at how much airflow it gave for its size. It's such a sleek, modern design which was perfect for this space. I had originally got it to replace our son's noisy bedroom fan, but decided this room needed it more. Our son has a computer in here and it would make this room so hot. This room also doubles as a guest bedroom, so I'm sure our guests will appreciate it when they come to stay during the summer. I don't know about you, but I have to have a fan on to be able to sleep at night. The fan remote offers so many features, and I love that there is a nightlight. It has 6 speed options to choose from, and you can set the light to different shades. It's for sure a great price for what you get. This has been such an amazing upgrade to this room, but that's just my point of view.